simple present negative. In this lesson, you will learn how to form the negative with all verbs except for be. Let's look at the negative form of the simple present. Austin does not go to school on Saturday. He does not get out of bed. His parents do not wake him. They let him sleep. Do you see the negative forms? Does not go, does not get, and do not wake. These are the negative forms for the simple present. Add do or does and not to form the negative. You already know the verb do, but do and does here don't mean the same thing. We just use them to form the negative. For all verbs except be, we add do or does and not to make the negative form. And we don't put them at the end. We put them between the subject and the verb. Let's look. You see the verb chart here for speak. I speak. We move speak over and do not. I do not speak. It's the same for you. You speak changes to you do not speak. And here we've got he. I'm going to move speaks over, but remember, the form of do for he is does. So he does not speak. But something happens here. I have an S here on does, so I don't need this S on speaks anymore. We drop that. He does not speak. We only need one S. She and it follow the same pattern. She does not speak. It does not speak. And the plurals all follow the same pattern with do. We do not speak, you do not speak, and they do not speak. Remember, all of simple present forms the negative this way, except for the be verb. Here's some more examples. Ostriches are birds, but they do not fly. They do not need to drink water because they get water from food. They do not put their heads in the sand, but many people think they do. Do you see the negatives? Do not fly, do not need, do not put. Here is another example. Annie doesn't have a cat, she has a dog. His name is Bruno. Bruno doesn't like to walk. Annie doesn't get angry. She thinks it is funny. Where do you see the negatives here? Doesn't have, doesn't like, and doesn't get. So you can see contractions. Let's look at the two ways to form the negative. There are two ways to form the negative. The first way, add do or does and not. So I speak English. Remember, it goes between the subject and the verb, so I do not speak English. And she speaks English changes to she does not, but look, speaks, we've got double S, drop that S. She does not speak English. The second way to form the negative is with a contraction. I do not speak English. Drop the O, make one word, add an apostrophe. I don't speak English. And she does not speak English. Drop the O, make one word, add the apostrophe, and we have she doesn't speak English. Let's practice the negative forms. What goes in the blank? Use the verb have. First, try the long form. Remember, you need 3 words to form the negative. George does not have a car. He rides his bike to work. Now try the contraction form. George doesn't have a car. He rides his bike to work. Here we have 2 verbs for 2 blanks, fly and live. Put them in the negative. First, try the long form. Penguins do not fly, and they do not live in the North Pole. How about contractions? Penguins don't fly, and they don't live in the North Pole. Last one. The verb is work. What goes in the blank? The long form is Jill does not work at a desk. She sits on the floor. And the contraction? Jill doesn't work at a desk. She sits on the floor. Let's look at some sentences. Think. Is the negative form correct? First sentence is, he doesn't like golf. Yes, that is correct. He doesn't like golf. They don't want cake. Yes, that is also correct. They don't want cake. She doesn't swims. This is incorrect. Look, we've got the S there, so we have an extra S on swims. She doesn't swim is correct. I don't have a cat. That's correct. I don't have a cat. She isn't have a car. This is incorrect. This is the wrong verb. We need doesn't. She doesn't have a car. Isn't is the be verb, and we don't put it with the verb have. She doesn't have a car. She doesn't eat meat. Yes, that is correct. Okay? In this lesson, you learned add do or does and not to form the negative. They do not fly. He does not like to walk. And you can make contractions. They don't fly. He doesn't like to walk.